Punarapi jananam punarapi maranam punarapi janani jatare shayanam iha samsare bahudustare kripaya pare pahi murare.
What is binding you? If you want to go to the sky, don't sit here and do, Japan, sky, sky, sky. It won't help. What are the ropes which are binding you? If you understand that, if you cut those ropes, you will have to go, isn't it? You understand your bondage and see how to disentangle yourself from the bondage. Now, the idea of negating karma came up in your mind simply because you think karma is bondage, karma is evil. I want you to understand, karma is the very basis of your existence. If I take away all your karma, if I can if I take away all your karma, you will leave your body right now. You cannot sustain your body. Your ability to be bound with the body is only because of your karma. So you want your karma to go or to stay? You want your karma to go or stay? What binds you to your body, the glue that holds you to the body is karma. If you take away all karma, you cannot hold on to this body. So you want karma, but at the same time you want to be free from it. You don't want your karma to rule you. That's the desire, isn't it? Yes? You want to live in the body, but don't want to be ruled by it. You want to know something else. You want to be beyond all these things. So we are looking at how to create a little distance between you and your karma. We are not looking at how to erase your karma. We are seeing how to create a little space between you and your karma so that you can operate in little freedom, not all the time entangled with the past impressions. For that, we will give you specific tools with which… There are certain moments in your life when your karma has nothing to do with you, you're absolutely free. But still it is there, it is not gone. Because if it is gone, you will be gone too. Because what you call as myself is just your karma functioning in a certain way. Your individuality is just your karmic accumulation. This individual person which we experience as myself right now, this individual person is just a product of your karma. If we erase the karma, this person will disappear. So we want to create little distance from the karma, so this person has little more freedom to create his karma consciously, not unconsciously. Right now, this person is a product of unconscious karma. Now we are trying to make it into a conscious process, so that this person becomes the way he wills. He does not become a product of accidental impressions that have gone into him. So giving you that necessary freedom so that you can create yourself the way you want, not compelled by what's happened in the past.